Seven, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Verify Euler theorem. Now he has given the question. Now it is power 1. It is homogeneous equation of power 1. Now what the theorem says that x dou u by dou x plus y dou u by dou y into 1 into u is nothing but u. We should prove that it is equal to u. Now question given, u is equal to x tan inverse of y by x. Now differentiate partially with respect to x. Dou u by dou x, u into v. First one as it is. Second one differentiate tan inverse of x, 1 by 1 plus x square. This part we have to differentiate y outside, 1 by x minus 1 by x square plus second one as it is. First one differentiate. X means 1. Now what happens here? X goes cancels. Dou u by dou x is equal to minus y by x by 1 plus y by x whole square plus tan inverse of y by x. First one we have got. Now u is equal to x tan inverse of y by x. Now differentiate with respect partially with respect to y. Dou u by dou y, constant outside, tan inverse of x, 1 by 1 plus x square. This part we have to differentiate. Now 1 by x outside, y means 1, x goes cancels. Dou u by dou y is equal to 1 by 1 plus y by x whole square. Now x dou u by dou x plus y dou u by dou y, we should prove is equal to u. Now x, what is dou u by dou y? We have got minus y by x by 1 plus y by x whole square plus tan inverse of y by x plus y. Dou u by dou y, 1 by 1 plus y by x whole square. Now if you take y inside, x goes cancels, minus y by 1 plus y by x whole square plus x tan inverse of y by x plus y by 1 plus y by x whole square is equal to, this is nothing but u. ನನ್ನ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ನೋಡಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. ಇನ್ನ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ಮಾಹಿತಿಗಾಗಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಚಾನಲ್ಗೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ.